here second, formation of, everybody, a formation of alkyl bromide. Formation of alkyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Okay, second, formation of alkyl bromide. Look here, by using phosphorus tribromide. Everybody, a phosphorus tribromide is a less stable compound. Cannot be used directly in this reaction. Also prepared a mixture of a phosphorus and bromine. Means, look here, this is the red phosphorus. Okay, red phosphorus. Correct? Twice. Next, thrice Br2 bromine. You know product here. Product twice PBr3 means phosphorus tribromide. Look, in case of PCl3, also stable compound. In case of PCl5, a stable compound, but in case of PBr3 is a less stable compound. Therefore, by using a mixture of a red phosphorus and the bromine in this reaction. You know simple pain. Look here, thrice alcohol ROH reaction with PBr3. Correct? Okay, heating. You know by using mixture a red phosphorus plus bromine Br2. You know product thrice R. Next Br, name of the compound, a alkyl bromide. Name of the compound alkyl bromide plus, okay, S3PO3 phosphorus acid. General reaction, when alcohol is heated with phosphorus tribromide or a mixture of a red phosphorus and bromine, or the mixture of a red phosphorus and bromine, it gives, everybody, it gives the corresponding alkyl bromide. Look here, in this reaction, different types of the reaction here. Only change, okay, lot of reaction. Only change the value of R. Change a value of R. First example, methyl alcohol CH3OH. Methyl alcohol. Look here, when methyl alcohol is heated with a phosphorus tribromide. It gives, name of the compound, methyl bromide. Name of the compound, methyl bromide. Explain the reaction. When a methyl alcohol is heated with PBr3 phosphorus tribromide, it gives methyl bromide. It gives a methyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Look here, only change. Everybody. Look here, next example, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol means CH3, next CH2, next OH. Ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethyl alcohol. Look here, when ethyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus tribromide, it gives, okay, thrice CH3, a CH2, Br, name of the compound, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide, name of the compound, ethyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Explain the reaction. When ethyl bromide is heated with a phosphorus tribromide, it gives ethyl bromide. And the same reaction of isopropyl. Everybody, a next reaction, isopropyl alcohol. When simple, sir, take open. Yes. बोला, next example, isopropyl alcohol, a CH3, next CH, next OH, next is the CH3. Yes. Isopropyl alcohol. Look here, when isopropyl alcohol is heated with the phosphorus tribromide, it gives CH3, CH, Br, CH3. Name of the compound, isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide, correct? Yes, isopropyl bromide. Look here. Everybody, a simple reaction with the phosphorus halide, a simple reaction. काही नाही, बेसिक आहे, सर्व बेसिक आहे. सहजासहजी रिॲक्शन आपल्याला करण्याजोगे आहेत आणि आपण सहजासहजी रिॲक्शन करू शकतो. कारण हे रिॲक्शन मला सांगा कोण रिप्लेस कुणाला केला हे आपणाला जर समजला तर या रिॲक्शन मध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम राहत नाही. क्लियर? यस. Look here, a PBr3 is less stable. But everybody, a second reaction, a PBr5. Look here, next is the PBr5. Look here, all of you, PBr5 does not exist. PBr5 it does not exist. जर हे नसेलच तर याच्या आपण रिॲक्शनही करू शकणार नाहीये. म्हणून आपल्याला नेक्स्ट स्टडी करावा लागेल. अगोदर बोला या ठिकाणी आपल्याला हा टाइप कुठला होता? हा टाइप होता न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन. सेकंड पॉइंट, एव्हरीबडी, दिस इज द JW पॉइंट. ओके, JW or knit point. JW or knit point. Okay, yes, first point, it is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? OH minus ions is replaced by the Cl. Okay, replaced by a Br minus ions. Second, everybody, a second point, in this reaction, a PBr3 is less stable and PBr5 does not exist. Right? And third point, in this reaction, a order of a reactivity of alcohol is tertiary alcohol is greater than a secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, a third point, all of you, third point, last point, a formation of alkyl iodide. Last point, third, formation of alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide. Yes. Look here, everybody. By using Pi3, phosphorus triiodide. Okay. Now look here. Now repeat the Pi3 also less stable. Pi3 also less stable. Pi3 direct, everybody, do not direct use of the reaction. They also give that mixture, a red phosphorus and the iodine. Red phosphorus and iodine. Correct, Look here, a red phosphorus twice plus thrice I2. Correct? Yes. To form twice Pi3. What is this? This is the phosphorus iodide. What is this? This is a phosphorus iodide. Use of in this reaction. Look here, a thrice. First example, methyl alcohol CH3OH plus Pi3. Okay, also heating like this. Everybody mixture, a red phosphorus. Red phosphorus plus I2. It gives the product. All of you, general reaction दिलोय ना, direct reaction दिलोय. A thrice, हा बोला CH3, next I, name of the compound methyl iodide. Methyl iodide plus S3PO3. Phosphorus acid. Correct? Explain the reaction when methyl alcohol is heated with the Pi3 phosphorus triiodide, it gives methyl iodide. असंही बोलू शकू आपण, when methyl alcohol is heated with the mixture of red phosphorus and iodine. Red phosphorus iodine. असं नाही म्हणता येणार आपल्याला is reacted with Pi3 in presence of red phosphorus iodine. या दोघांपैकी अगोदर आपल्याला एकाचं नाव घ्यावं लागेल. करेक्ट? यस, कारण याच्यापासून हे तयार केलेलं आहे. हे काय याच्यापासून तयार करायचं आहे? हे लेस स्टेबल आहे. हे कोण आहे? लेस स्टेबल असल्यामुळे आपण डायरेक्ट मिक्सचर घेतो रिएक्शन मध्ये. Look here, next is simple here. Simple. Look here, a thrice example. Next example, CH3CH2OH means ethyl alcohol. when ethyl alcohol is heated with a phosphorus triiodide, it gives a CH3, CH2, next I, name of the compound, बोला name of the compound, ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Correct? Yes. एरवी आपणाला या ठिकाणी सुद्धा आपल्याला आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल सुद्धा घेता आलं असतं. Look here, a isopropyl alcohol is reacted with a phosphorus triiodide. It gives isopropyl iodide. Correct? Look here, the part, everybody, this is the title, reaction with the phosphorus halide. And the first part is completed, the formation of alkyl chloride. Second part also completed, formation of alkyl bromide, and last part is a formation of alkyl iodide. Look here, all of you, in this reaction, in case of PI5, PI5 does not exist. PI5 does not exist. म्हणून आपण रिएक्शन करणार का? याच्या रिएक्शन नाही करणार. जर आपल्याला मला सांगा PBr3 आणि PI3 चे रिएक्शन करतो, PBr5 चे करत नाही, कारण okay, this compound is not exist. In case of PI5 also is not exist. Look here, 1 minute, a JEE oblique need. The first point, this reaction is 1 minute. This reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second point, everybody, a PI3 is less stable. PI3 is less stable, but PI5 does not exist. And third point, in this reaction, a order of reactivity of a alcohol is a 3-degree alcohol is greater than a 2-degree alcohol is greater than 1-degree alcohol. Correct? हा इतका सिंपल पार्ट आहे की आपणाला सहजासहजी हेच लेक्चर पुन्हा पुन्हा जर ऐकलं तर आपणाला माझ्या मते सहजासहजी हे तुम्हाला सर्वचे सर्व रिएक्शन येतील. हा टाइप आहे न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. करेक्ट? न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. ओके, थँक्यू.